Okay, in this video we're going to talk about doing calculations with Sig Figs. There are two categories that you need to be aware of. Addition and subtraction, that's one category, and multiplication and division, that's the other category, because they use different methods. Pay very close attention to this right here. Okay, for addition and subtraction, you must pay attention to digits, not the total number of Sig Figs. And I'll explain what I mean by that. And for multiplication and division, you must pay attention to Sig Figs, not digits. So hopefully that will become clear once I do a couple of examples. Alright, so let's do some addition here. So we're going to start with a couple of numbers, adding them together. 34360. Okay, and to that we're going to add 4500. So you line up the numbers just as you always do, and it's important to line them up even if you're doing this on your calculator. When you add them together, you get, and this you can do either by hand or with your calculator, it doesn't matter. But like I said, writing it down and lining it up, I think, is important so that you get the right number of Sig Figs. Okay, so there's your answer. We're adding those together. And like I said, this depends on digits, not Sig Figs. So let's look at the top number. The top number is precise to the tens digit. This 6 right here is the most precise digit. Okay, but for the bottom number, the 100s place, this 5 is the most precise digit. The rule is your answer can only be precise to the least precise digit. The least precise digit here is the hundredths place. So I'm going to have these 3 digits in my answer, and the others are going to be trailing zeros. So notice now that I know that the first digit has to be 3, the next one has to be 8, and then the next one has to be rounded based on what this one is. Okay, so this one still matters. We use it to round to the final digit, okay, to the least precise digit. So this is a 6, that's above 5. So the answer that we need to report is going to be 38900. Okay, so that's an example for addition. For subtraction, here's one: 4.592. Again, line these up with the decimal points, and we're going to subtract minus 0.07. Okay. Now you have your decimal points lined up, and you end up with 4.522. Now in this case, the top number is precise to the thousandths place, and the bottom number is precise to the hundredths place, this 7 here in the hundredths place. So your final answer needs to be rounded to the hundredths place. This 2 right here is less than 5, so I'm not going to round this 2 up. So my final answer is going to be 4.52. Okay. Now multiplication and division, again, we're going to be focusing on Sig Figs, not on the least precise digit. So for example, we have 10.33 times 4.5. Plug it into your calculator, and you hopefully will get 46.485. Okay. Now for this one, for multiplication and division, you go by the least number of Sig Figs. The first number here has 4 sig figs. This one has 2. Your answer, therefore, must have 2. So we need to report this answer as, again, because this 4 is less than 5, we don't round the 6 up. So your answer is simply 46 for that one. All right. A division example. 4522.05 divided by 325. Plug it into the calculator and you get 13.914. 13.914. Okay, again, this one has 6 sig figs. This one has 3 sig figs. So your answer has to have 3 sig figs. So you report this answer as 13.9. And that's it. Thanks for watching.